Today we are at Springest in Amsterdam. We are studying management control without managers. Is that even possible, or is the contradiction?
Springest is the largest learning marketplace in the world. We also offer a product for organizations to organize learning within their organization. We work with about 50 employees in Amsterdam and Berlin, but we also offer our services in France, Belgium, the UK and the US.
With Springest Go, users get an easy way to find a course, compare the offering and book it straight away. With this, we offer a true user-first learning platform, while the company gains a full overview of its learning activities and budget spend.
Springest is using holacracy as a form of organizing, which relies on self-management instead of hierarchical structures.
During the manufacturing era, division of labor and implementing bureaucratic organizational structures were main management tools. However, we see a continuous development from a manufacturing focus to a knowledge society, influenced by tremendous technological developments.
Against this background, we investigate emerging alternative forms of management control in corporate practice. One such alternative is the use of self-management concepts. The idea of self-management is to rely on employees' own capabilities of organizing their work instead of implementing a top-down hierarchical bureaucratic structure.
At my former job, I had to ask permission for every idea that I had. And here at Springest, you don't have a boss to ask permission from. I am accountable for my own roles and I have the responsibility to execute my ideas the way that I want to do them.
The holacracy governance structure at Springest minimizes control problems because Springest is able to make it absolutely clear for everyone who is working on what and when it's due. This facilitates an open and constructive communication between employees when they have to solve problems or tensions, and supports them to really engage in self-management.
When we tell our colleagues about our research, they tend to become very skeptical. They typically argue that holacracy will only work for a small organization with young people. That's why it is so great to be at Springest right now, because the firm is growing very quickly and we can observe how growth might challenge the principles of holacracy.
Of course, we aim to contribute to research, but maybe even more to teaching. Well, our students studying management need to be prepared for societal changes. And one thing that's changing at many organizations is the role of the manager. Managers seem to become unnecessary because the professionals of the future are managing their own role. Managing is replaced by coaching, and this is not restricted by a small group of people telling others top-down what to do. It is distributed through the organization. Each professional is coaching and being coached, but based on skills and not on hierarchy. So this way employees can reach their full potential.
Self-management, and with that holacracy, is such an interesting research topic. Springest provides us with a great chance to study this phenomenon in their organization.
Yes, and also they let us participate in their digital environment. So this is absolutely unique for us as researchers.